Hello and welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Chandrababu Naidu's plea seeking quashing of FIR refused to be mentioned urgently by the Supreme Court. Supreme Court asked Centre's response on plea concerning assistance to persons with disabilities. Senior Advocate Vikas Singh writes to CJI, urging 33% quota for women in judiciary. Bar Council of India confers Lifetime Achievement Vidhi Ratna Award on 5 legal luminaries. Viacom 18 bags exclusive Indian cricket broadcast rights after Delhi High Court bars illegal streaming. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. Former Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and leader of Telugu Desam Party, Chandrababu Naidu's plea seeking to quash the FIR against him in the skill development scam case to be mentioned tomorrow before the Supreme Court. The top court today asked senior advocate Siddharth Luthra, appearing for Naidu, to mention the matter tomorrow as the council tried to mention the plea for urgent listing, which was not listed in the mentioning list. The matter was placed before a bench comprising the CJI D.Y. Chandrachud, along with Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra, who directed the counsel for Naidu to come tomorrow in the mentioning list. Naidu's plea for quashing of FIR was rejected by the High Court on Friday, and thereafter he approached the Apex Court. He is accused of allegedly siphoning off a sum of Rs 371 crores from the fund allotted to the skill development program in Andhra Pradesh. A bench of the Supreme Court headed by the CJI D.Y. Chandrachud and also comprising Justice J.B. Pardiwala and Justice Manoj Mishra today issued notice to the centre seeking its response on a petition that sought the quantum of assistance provided to the persons with disabilities should be 25% higher in comparison to those given to others under similar social welfare schemes. The petition was filed by an NGO, Bhumika Trust, and relied on the proviso to Section 24, subsection 1 of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act of 2016. The said section provides that the appropriate government shall formulate necessary schemes and programs to safeguard and promote the rights of persons with disabilities, so as to provide them with an adequate standard of living and enable them to live independently. The proviso to the section itself provides that the quantum of such assistance shall be at least 25% higher than the similar schemes applicable to others. The bench quizzed the petitioner as to for which scheme the enhancement is being sought, to which the petitioner referred to the disability pension given by different states. The top court then issued notice to the centre instead of issuing notice to all states and requested the additional Solicitor General Aishwarya Bhati to assist the top court in the matter. The court has listed the matter for hearing after 4 weeks. Senior advocate and the former president of the Supreme Court Bar Association, Vikas Singh, has written a letter to the Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, highlighting the need for reservation of 33% quota for women in judgeship. Mr. Singh urged the CJI to allocate 1/3 of judgeship to women in higher judiciary. He highlighted that the high courts of Patna, Uttarakhand, Tripura, Meghalaya and Manipur do not have a single woman judge, and there are only 103 women judges in the remaining high courts across the nation, as against 670 male judges. In the letter, a reference to the recent bill passed by the Parliament reserving 33% seats for women in Lok Sabha and state assemblies was also made. Mr. Singh in this regard wrote, with the historic unanimous passing of the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam by Parliament, it is indeed a moment for the judiciary to also rise to the occasion to ensure that India finally moves towards an era of women-led development. The letter was also sent to 4 senior judges of the Apex Court, along with the Chief Justices of the High Courts. The Bar Council of India has conferred the Lifetime Achievement Vidhi Ratna Award on 5 legal luminaries for their contributions to the field of law. The list includes senior advocates K. Parasaran, Fali S. Nariman, K.K. Venugopal, who were awarded at the International Lawyers Conference of 2023. Senior advocates Soli Sorabji and Ram Jethmalani were also honoured posthumously. The awards were presented by the Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Chairman of the Bar Council of India, Manan Kumar Mishra, who was also present at the event, said that the BCI for the first time is going to felicitate the legal luminaries of the country. It is a proud moment for the council to felicitate the country's legal assets, he added. The International Lawyers Conference that was organized by the Bar Council of India was a two-day event from September 23rd to 24th and was inaugurated by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi. It was also attended by the Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Union Law Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, Attorney General R. Venkatramani, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, among others. The Delhi High Court has ruled in favor of Viacom 18, restraining rogue websites from streaming matches of the Indian cricket team illegally over their platforms. Justice C. Harishankar observed that it is common for such websites to emerge before events and stream content over which others hold copyrights. The High Court barred 8 websites that were named by the Viacom 18 network in its suit. The network that won a bidding war against major players like Sony and Star also sought a direction to block any offending website from broadcasting the cricket matches over which it has exclusive broadcasting rights. The network backed the rights for the next 5 years over all bilateral matches involving the Indian cricket team to be played in India, along with domestic cricket. It can broadcast the matches on its television as well as OTT platforms. That was all on today's legal news. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum. And subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.